To build chatbot in our website, first of all you need to visit this website called name.neooka.ai. Here you can see the pricing structure of this website. This is the affordable one and provide the best value at the affordable price. So I like this website, so I choose. Now I can make a tutorial on this website. How can you make chatbot in website like this? You can see a little icon like a chat where you can see chatbot. Now click on my chatbot. First of all you need to create an account. When you create account, here you can see I already create an chatbot. So you can create from a template, or here is the many template that you can choose to create chatbot for your website. So I want to create from manual from beginning. So click on new chatbot. You can train your chatbot with PDF, text, docs, anything you can upload here and it can train. Now you can paste any tag and type to train. You can generate from a ChatGPT or simply paste website URL here and just click fetch link. So it can automatically fetch link and train our chatbot with. Also I like to use this website, so I can copy this URL and just paste it. So I can just paste and paste link. Or you can submit a sitemap, so it can automatically load sitemap every day and automatically retrain our chatbot. I like this feature very much, so it can automatically retrain our chatbot with new content and updates. So you have a sitemap, just submit it. Or now I can crawl this chatbot. Is website can crawl. Here you can find 9 links. Now I can train it. Here you can see the link of this. Now I can create a chatbot for this website. Or you can just paste your question or answer. So you can have any question what your prospect is asking, just type it. I think you just also need to answer of this. So just write answer of this. Or I think just paste repeated question there. Now create a chatbot. So we need to add couple of minutes so for that. So now our chatbot is training, so we need to wait a couple of minutes or couple of seconds to how your website is heavy or just a simple like this. If your website is simple, it can do fast as possible. So these have only 9 links, but taking time. I think I like the submit a sitemap. That is the best feature I like. Now our work is simply done. Now it can 99% done. Okay, you can skip this part. Just press L in keyboard. You can skip this part. So it can just scroll in these pages. You can see in the bottom, or you can rename your chatbot. Now I can ask any question. So I simply time what is time now. Now it can give us answer for that. So this is the current time. We can match in our desktop. So I can another question ask how to build chatbot. So it gave us the answer now. So the answer is, you can see in the why I build chatbot. So you need to build chatbot for your lead. In Harvard study, that's how we can qualify 78% lead within reply in 5 minutes. So the chatbot is required to give instant answer. If you give us instant answer, we can qualify 78% lead. That is truth. So you can just ask any question based on your requirement, so I don't want to. I just show you some setting you can customize. So you can rename your chatbot or you can share as template. I don't want to do, so you can customize this prompt based on your behalf. What is the role of your chatbot? You can use ChatGPT for that, or write yourself, or, or customize in your behalf. I just type we are adjusting our AI chatbot assistance. Okay. Now if you can any error message you can choose any model. I like Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, but I choose this. This is the cost effective. Or you can just add your model API key to unlimited usage. Or you can just temperature. You can just increase temperature. You can get creative answer. So now click on AI action, and you have any e-commerce website. You can add an HTTP request to get a product detail, anything, service delivery, where is your product. This is the best feature I like for e-commerce company, any company that required ordering anything HTTP required. This is the great feature. I like this. So you can customize your chatbot like using chat interface. You can change icon, you can change logo. So here you can see, hi, this is your AI students. Here you can click, see, this is the same message I look. Or you can add a suggested message in the bottom. The prospect automatically click on automatically load it, give answer chatbot. So I just type, how can I help you? We can ask the most repeated question here. What is your prospect? Ask most repeated question. Just you can write 3, max 3 to 4, and just add shadow, any icon, customize. You can upload your custom image or to change icon. You can add CCS. You can use in left, right, anything, or you can add link, Instagram, Facebook. You can, so here is the logo, same look like this. So this is the great feature I like. Or you can add privacy policy error, anything. You can add security. So we can add to add this chatbot in only one domain. So we want to add 20 message in every 240 seconds. If I get more question based on one IP address, our chatbot can't reply. Add chatbot in our Instagram account. First of all, visit this Instagram option. So now we can authorize our Instagram account to connect this chatbot in our account. So this is my account that can I authorize to automatically reply. So I don't want to do this for my account. I choose